Hi, this is David here at Kaizink, and I'm going to show you how to print the user handbook. So first, we're going to start by opening the Fiery software, which is right here, Fiery Command Workstation. This is going to be what we're going to use as the RIP software to print with the printer. Next, as you see, we have this queue and all that. We are going to go locate our employee handbook file. Start by opening the files. As you see right here, it'll going to be under Farm. Scroll down, or you can just search. After clicking, search Kaizink, and in the Kaizink folder, you're going to look for Onboarding. In Onboarding, we're going to see that there is a couple employee handbooks. You're going to want to choose the most recent one, which currently is that one, and I'm going to go click it, hold my click, and drag it over into the Fiery software. As you see, it's right here. Now I am going to right click. I'm going to go under the Impose section. This is what Impose looks like. See, as you can see, this is our handbook. These are all the pages. And these are the settings. For the handbook, there is actually a template set up. It's Halo Employee Handbook. We're then going to exit out of that. It's going to ask us to save. You're going to choose yes. Make sure this is the new one. Make sure that you delete the other one so you don't get confused. Then you are going to right click again on the new one. You're going to go to Properties. Under Properties, you're going to be in this Media section. You're going to choose Paper Source. You're going to want to choose Tray 5 Bypass. And you're going to want to go into Finishing as well. And then now you're going to want to change to the fold style to booklet fold and the stapler mode to center. From here, you're just easy peasy, just click print. As you see, it's going to be loading, and then it is going to get ready to print. Now it's loaded, now it's waiting to print. Sometimes it has had an error which needs manual pressing of a button to click to continue, but we shall see if this comes up. As you can see, now it's starting to print and did not come up with an error this time. So lucky for us. Now we shall see if it prints correctly. Right now you should see that the printer is going to be making noise and it should be starting to print. It should be taking the papers that's in your bypass tray and it should visibly be pulling it, and you should see that less papers are coming out and that is printing. And once it hits 100%, that's when your employee handbook has been printed. Thank you so much for joining me on making the employee handbook. This was David. Have a good one.